Welcome to our another video. If you're using ChatGPT, you probably know that you could do many things. In this video, I have demonstrated 5 things you can expect to do using ChatGPT. 1. Quickly write a customized resume and cover letter. 2. Create original jokes, memes, and more easily. 3. Explain complex topics in easy-to-understand language. 4. Solve tricky math problems step by step. 5. Write music, songs, and lyrics in almost any genre. ChatGPT is one of the quickest ways to make a resume online. It can help relieve you of the burden of customizing each resume for each job posting in minutes. Here's a demo. Whether you're looking for a good laugh or to create some hilarious jokes to impress your friends, ChatGPT can come in handy. Here's a demo. ChatGPT could be useful in explaining them in layman's terms. You can ask it to explain complex concepts like you are a 5-year-old, and it will come up with the easiest explanation. Here's a demo. The software is particularly strong in handling math as well. You'll need to present your problems clearly and concisely for the best results. Here's a demo. also versed in creative endeavors, including writing music. You can write just about any song in most major music genres. Here's a demo. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more video like this.